Welcome back to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you know what I mean, it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today guys, we had do a little challenging video between Kira and Cyan. Okay guys, Kira is my oldest granddaughter, Cyan is younger. So
aw, Cyan, you're not the youngest anymore.
Well, what them decide to do is they decided to find out who knows more about me. Guys, before I go any further, I want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification belly things of mine so you don't miss a post when Mama Joan posts. So, guys, what I'm doing today is them a challenge each other. I spend over 20 odd years with Kira and I spent 15 years with Cyan. So between the two of them, challenge each other so them know me better. So we're gonna see how it work out in the end. So guys, all we're gonna do it is like every one of them, every question them get right, them each get a point. Okay, so we have a couple questions here. Well, you know what I'm gonna ask, and then I'm gonna see how it goes, how best them can answer it. And you know what guys, I make them these nice naturals for them to dive into. This is the Angelo recipe for these naturals here. So anyway guys, before we go any further, we're gonna dive right into it now. Okay, so now guys, for the first question, okay, between the both of you, it's not a race.
What do you mean it's not?
I was just about to say, I want
Okay, if you don't want it to be a race, then fine. She said she didn't want no plate.
I know.
But you bring them.
Not for bring. I bring one for me, I want for Kira. Because you said you didn't want none. Anyway, let's go into the first question. What's my favorite color?
White.
Beige or white?
I said it first.
So Cyan get a point.
Beige
You
is
said
my
beige,
favorite color
no,
anymore?
white. Beige is one of my color, but white is my favorite. Okay. Alright, so we're not digging at the food. Alright. As me say, it's not a race, so we can just make it fun, you know? But
It is fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But how is it not a race if we both get it right? Then it's whoever said it first.
Right, because what if we
Okay. Alright. So she got 1 point. Okay. So now we're going for the next second question. What's my favorite food?
Seafood?
What's my favorite food? Like cooked food that
She
I like
already-
to eat.
Is that your final answer? She already said.
What she said?
She said seafood.
She said seafood. Okay.
I'm gonna say your favorite food is kingfish.
She said seafood, so she win. Cause she said
You see my
seafood.
Kingfish?
Yeah. No. It's seafood is my favorite food.
So what's your favorite Jamaican food?
My favorite Jamaican food, like for eat?
Yes.
Like I like cargoat, but my favorite food is seafood.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So we're moving on now.
Is what your favorite fish a question?
No, I
So
never
what
put
is
that.
your favorite fish?
My favorite fish?
Is it tilapia?
No, you know what?
Got me some beer.
You can never talk with them old full guy with bite your tongue. And Mama Joan really don't intend to bite no tongue today. Okay. So for question, the third question is where was I born?
Kingston.
Jamaica.
Okay, Kingston.
You're born at Kingston Jubilee Hospital.
Okay, so who am I gonna give that point to?
I answered first.
Okay. This is Kingston. Okay, so all the points are to it.
I have
1, 2.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So moving on to question number 4. What's my dream vacation?
Do you know the answer to that?
Italy.
I would say Puerto Rico.
No, 200 round. My dream vacation is to go to Europe. Not just Italy. So the two
I
are.
was a little close.
It's England.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't ever recall you ever saying like, Europe. My dream vacation is Europe.
Yeah, that's my dream. That I would like to tour. Go to England, France, Germany. Me and your granddad.
Okay. Next.
So okay. So we're moving on to question number 5 now. What's my dream car? Who can tell me what would I like for my dream car?
An SUV.
A Range
No, you
Rover.
can't.
Mercedes SUV.
You are right. A Range Rover.
Wow.
That's my
But
dream.
Range Rovers are small.
Yeah, like a small Range Rover.
Did the Range
Car?
Rover Evoque? The Range Rover Evoque or whatever? It's
Range
like,
Rover is like
kind
a
of like
SUV.
grandma's
Like my-
car now, the
yeah,
size of
SUV.
it. And then you have the bigger version that's really big.
We get the really big one.
Why not the size of my car?
Oh my god, Grandma said before you were born, you know those kidnapper vans?
Yeah. The white ones.
No, but they had a baby blue one.
Okay.
Oh, that was the dog. It was
baby blue. I don't think nobody ever had one of those in baby blue.
It was the Dodge. It was kidnapper van.
Well, it's a kidnapper van now.
Moving on to question number 6. What's my favorite movie?
Lord of the Rings.
What is that? What is it called again? I don't know. Tom Ford.
Wow.
What kind of movie was it? Like an action movie? Like a Taken?
It has to be action.
Okay. Well, guys, I was telling you this about your grandmother. What's my favorite movie? I should have it more better. I like Lord of the Ring, which is what I call that kind of movie. Sci-fi. And Tom Cruise movie where I talk about.
What is the Tom Cruise movie?
The Magic Tom Cruise.
She said Tom Ford.
She said Tom Ford because she make a mistake. So I'm going to give you 12 now, 1 point each. Okay? Is that fair?
Who's Tom Cruise?
You don't know Tom Cruise?
I don't know any actor except for Blake Lively
Who?
and
Kevin Hart.
Jen, did you just fart on me a while ago?
I heard it.
Oh, mercy, gosh. Imagine you're eating and you're pooping.
No, God, please, no, no!
You're farting. But it's alright because what we say? Make fart what? Kill Mary Lee. Okay. Alright. Wow, now really are digging at the nachos they do.
It's got a spicy thingy. It's got a spicy thingy.
If you eat a piece of spice, oh well, a piece of the jalapenos. So we move on to question number 7. What was my first tattoo?
You don't have any time.
The V, the bird on your arm.
Try and win with that one.
And it's
When did
only
you get a
halfway or
tattoo?
something.
My bird. I guess you didn't know about this one. I got this when I was about what, 10 or 12. Okay, something like that. Yeah. Okay, so.
Yeah, do that.
Well, I wasn't supposed to have one, and I'm allergic to the ink, so it's a lucky thing. Say, but as soon as it started to swell up on my hand, the guy stopped, and I wasn't allowed to have it. Yeah. So move on to question number 8. What's my favorite chocolate?
100% dark chocolate.
The score chocolate with the caramel thing, hard thing inside.
Kira is right, 100% dark chocolate.
Wow.
And I would know because I was the only person that would eat the dark chocolate with her. That was bitter. But I had a chocolate problem, so I couldn't say no.
How many siblings do I have?
6. 6 or 8.
Give me a minute. 6 to 8.
6 or 8.
You gotta pick a...
Okay, 8.
Are we counting all of them? Or just...
All of my... Are you counting all of my siblings, and are you just counting who the ones them that you know?
10.
You said 10
I
so
was
far?
estimating.
Okay, but are we counting all of your siblings or just
Well,
all your...
Are your blood siblings?
Just, you know what, just all of my blood siblings is enough. Just with my mom, if you just want to go with the ones with,
Your mom,
with
your
my
dad?
With my mom and my dad, and that's fine, but it all depends on if you don't want to put the other ones them in there. Because I don't think, I'm going to get this one right.
12.
You said 12?
Yeah, that's my final answer.
Okay.
TikTok.
You can come back from here?
I have to count by country because there's so much of them, so I have to remember who's in here and who's in there and who's over
Okay,
there.
okay.
Okay, so...
Yeah, don't too long. Closest number win.
I say 9.
You said no. 7 win.
What is it?
So how much siblings do
13?
you have?
13.
So who's the 13 siblings?
You know what? Auntie Jack
Oh,
there,
fuck!
Sandra.
Mm-hmm.
You have Dave, you have Joseph, and you have Teresa. Dave, Joseph, and Teresa, them two, they are 3 brother and sister from my dad. Joseph and Dave, they are England. Teresa still they are Jamaica. Auntie Sandra and Jackie. So that them 5 there,
You know?
plus Mama 8. That's 13. That I'm you are the one that I know of.
Girl,
But there's more.
girl. If I tell you
So,
the
Sam?
auntie and the uncles that I calculated. Well, not the aunties I'm not off. I definitely wouldn't have added Joseph, Dave, and Melanie. But why did I forget Uncle Marlon in my account?
And Uncle Jack, yeah, wait.
No, I remembered Auntie Jackie and Auntie Sandra. I didn't add Uncle Marlon, but you know who I added? I added Uncle Fathead. Uncle Fathead.
What's her name?
You know that.
I should I get that point.
Because I never heard of Joseph and the next one
And
ever
David?
before.
And
Never.
Dave?
Okay, next question.
Okay. When I was a kid, what did I say I would like to be?
Police officer.
Our grandma.
Thrown around?
Firefighter.
Thrown
A
around?
nurse?
Thrown around?
I'm on the phone.
I always want to be a dancer, a ballerina
I
dancer.
thought you wanted to be a firefighter. I mean a police.
Why would you think this whole back want to be such a hard job?
I thought you said that.
When she hits her hand hurts.
When me eat my hand hurt.
Can you imagine her arresting you?
Next question. What's my biggest fear? That's my biggest fear.
Dying in a car crash.
Are you saying? Don't think I know
I
how to get
would-
this one.
Honestly, like, your biggest fear? I would say no Christmas breakfast.
My biggest fear
Is leaving your kids and your grandkids.
is drowning.
I was gonna say
Sam, you were going to say everything.
Okay, so we're moving on to the last and final question. Have I ever broken a bone?
no.
Yes.
What was it then?
Which brother? I've never broken up one.
Listen,
So say I get this one.
if
This
that
one.
lady was not in Florida, that lady was in the hospital. What she was in the hospital. All the time she was in the hospital for, I can't tell you.
Team Joe, say I know me. Know a little bit more about me, not much.
I never want to see my granny with no tattoo, but
Yeah,
it says a little crayon mark that she just drawed on for Cyan to
I
it.
know. There's no crayon mark here for Cyan with. Oh my God, give
So
her.
I'm just gonna leave her alone with her.
Give her look.
Her bird. Her V-bird. That didn't finish. Because it looked like it didn't even start.
This was supposed to be a heart.
A heart.
Yeah, but it
No,
stopped there
why
because
Why
it
did you
started.
make it out like that?
Buddy, I just want to know what kind of heart that was supposed to be.
That was the top.
Oh.
It was the top. But then my hands swell up right away because I'm allergic to the dye.
You know what God was trying to tell you?
No.
You're too enough. Because what? I was gonna get a heart.
We come to the end of the video. Real nice little chatting video with these two. You know what? Not what I say. Tell you guys probably come for me and say, my mama don't stay bad, so. So guys, like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell, things off mine, so you don't miss a post when I post.